Welcome to DJ TV.
My people, we greet you now. Welcome on now once again to this our channel, DJ TV. On our WhatsApp channel where they summer on now with updated updates. My people, on our yesterday show we don't talk. Show we don't come as I don't talk again. Though after this presidential election tribunal judgments, now for talk this one now when you talk same. Tinubu will be the president of Nigeria. He go make revolution happen for Nigeria as soon as possible. My people, when I need to see what show we talk, I need to watch the video more and hear what he talk, because this man I know say they always talk, they address the issue of Nigeria as they pass. He talk a lot for this video, but that revolution hey, say that Tinubu by himself go make am happen quick. Make una watch this video and make una don't forget to like and share. Watch the video.
Situation Nigeria will be in 2023. We told everybody, even the people who are now in power, they did also not hide their intention and agenda. They made it very clear. Tinubu said he will continue from where Buhari stopped. So why are you disturbing him when he removed petroleum subsidy? Which, by the way, they have now restored underground. Because you can do anything in this world to please anybody, you cannot please the greedy man.
Yes, sir.
It's not possible. They said they wanted to float the naira. They have floated the naira. The naira cannot float. The naira has gone to the bottom of the ocean. Tinubu met the naira at 500 and something. Naira is at 920 naira as of this morning. But guess what? What about minimum wage? It's still at 30,000 naira. When we were campaigning, we told Nigerians that the least minimum wage we will pay is 250,000 naira. They said that Sowore is an economic illiterate. I didn't know what he said. That if they start paying people 250,000 naira, it will cause inflation. They are paying you 30,000 naira now. Is it not causing inflation? Is there no inflation in Nigeria?
There is.
Abi, I don't know. Maybe you guys are shopping from another market. Because I hear there's a petrol station for APC members in Lagos, where you buy petrol for 145 naira. Abi, is there a market in Lagos, between Ikorodu and Lagos, where they sell tomato for less than the amount that everybody buys it? No. These guys have come to finish you. But it's up to you not to let them finish you. That is why we invited you here today to have this conversation once again. I have said it, that I've been to too many meetings in my life. I'm tired of meetings. Are you getting my point? I'm getting to a point where I just feel like some of these meetings are, they're just unnecessary. Because we are going to discuss the same issues over and over. My question is, when are we having that meeting, the final one, where we say, what are we doing? And let's go for it. And that is what we did when we came to this room in 2019. This was my last place of meeting before I was arrested by the DSS. In fact, we had 3 guys who disguised as people who were participating in the struggle. They were DSS guys.
And they are CS.
They follow us everywhere. And I'm sure they're in this room today. Yes. But whoever is there from there today, please give them water, because they are suffering. I am not aware that their own minimum wage has changed. It's only their organ that is enjoyed. But you see, as I told them when I got to detention, the guy who came to arrest me in Lagos, he came to me in the evening of the second day of my detention and found out I have not eaten. He said, Mr. Sowore, let's buy you food. You are going to kill yourself here of hunger. I said to him, you are the one who needs food. He said, no, it's doing well. I said, before you know it, one day will come where this thing you did, you will never be able to. I said, no, I don't have, I'm retiring anyway. I said, when are you retiring? He said, 2024. By 2020, NSAS had come. All of them were running around, hiding under the bridge. Are you getting my point? But the one that they have done now is going to make NSAS look like child. When Tinubu came to power, I said something in Abuja at a gathering like small few people. I said Tinubu is the one that will make the Nigerian revolution happen. Yes, he's the one that has been nominated by the forces to come and push Nigerians to a revolution. Yes, it will not stop until there's a revolution. Yes. I'm telling you, I'm not a prophet, but I can see very clearly that something is pushing him. And until that thing pushes him over, and the situation cannot be rectified, he will not stop. He will be moving from mistake to mistake because he has been designed by arrogance and ignorance as well. Not to understand where the country is. They don't get it that people that there's less traffic in Lagos, not because of LASMA, but because people don't have money to get out of their houses. They don't understand it. In fact, they are celebrating it that Lagos traffic has. But what they must understand about revolutions is that you can do everything to the people before the revolution happens. You can beat them, you can increase school fees, you can kidnap their children. But the moment you mess with food, you are getting there. Nobody reminds anybody of a revolution than a hungry person. And there's a huge population of hungry Nigerians now. And when hunger is mixed with anger, then nobody can stop it. But for the elites, there's also something they never see. Everywhere there's a revolution, the elites of those countries are always at the place enjoying themselves, saying the people cannot do anything. That's where we are. They are saying it now amongst themselves. A man down alone. Don't mind them. They are not able to do anything. You bring judgments, there's nothing they can do. And then the people you say cannot do anything, when they start doing something, you will discover that the elites are very few. You will suddenly discover that 350 policemen are not up to 1 million people that are hungry. And in 350 policemen, you discover that 150,000 of them are also angry with you. Because they are the ones guarding you and you'll be throwing spoiled food outside they have not eaten from morning till night. They are collecting 75,000 naira. They are borrowing money to protect you, and they are the ones who escort your dollars to where you hide them. So we're getting there, people, and that's what we are here to remind you and prepare you for.
DJ